You ever started a project, you're about to paint, got everything ready, planned, you're anxious, ready to go, and then this happens? Look. That's a no-go. Can't paint with that. So, let's see if we can fix it, because I've got a project to do. So, this is what I found out when troubleshooting my spray gun, and this is a Finish Line FLG 5. When I took the air cap off, which is this, you then have the fluid tip right here, which is this. So I then took my fluid tip out and noted that there was no seal between the fluid tip and the body of the gun. So if you look right here, see there's a little beveled area. There should be a gasket seal there, and mine had disintegrated and had basically went down inside the little cavity there. So I went to my paint supply store and I asked them if they had a gasket for my fluid tip. He looked, he said, that's not even in our books. So rather than throw the gun away, I have decided to try to make a little gasket to see if we can get this thing to working. And so here's what I've come up with. It's surprisingly how easy it is to fix. So I was like, hey, that's a pretty good tip. So let me show this to my YouTube subscribers, and I think this may be a benefit to you guys. So I got to thinking about it, and what I came up with was this is a Teflon tape that's commonly used in the plumbing industry. And so I was thinking, why can't I just try this to use it as a seal and see if that works.
So what I've done is I cut a piece, sprayed it up on the ends. These scissors are very dull, by the way. And then I split it. So that I ended up with a piece like this, a real thin piece of this Teflon sealant tape. Okay, so grab your fluid tip and then wrap the tape around it so that when you screw it in, it will seal. So basically just wrap it around like that. It's kind of hard to hold on there. But as long as you have your tape on that beveled edge, you should have a decent seal. Okay? I'm actually going to put the other little piece on there as well. Now, all this is an air seal here. There's no paint that goes into this, around this area. So the main thing we're trying to do is seal that air gap. So that's what we've got. We're trying to keep it like, there we go, like that. So if that makes sense. And then, we can then screw this back into the body of the gun, like that. And just snug it up, doesn't have to be super tight. And now you have an airtight seal there. So let's see if the spray gun's working now.
Alright, so this is the repair. Let's see if it's working. Just going to spray it in the trash can. Perfect. So, FLG gun, ready to spray. Okay? I love this gun, by the way. Nice spray pattern. All right, hey, I hope you liked that video. If it helped you, click on us, man. Help us out. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Thanks.